What is up? I'm about to go pay my electric bill at the school, and then I'm gonna go to this restaurant. It's a chain, it's called Falafel Brothers. They're all vegan. It's like falafel, hummus. They have vegan pecan pie, which I'm so excited about. And then I might just go to the Imperial Palace, depending on the location that I go to, because the one in Roppongi is right next to the Imperial Palace, so we'll just kind of see where the day takes us. I spent the last couple days just kind of lazing around and getting caught up on homework. I slept a lot. I ate a lot just at home in the dorm, and I spent the time doing my nails, which you guys had already seen in my previous video, and then I finally did maintenance on my locks. So I get all these loose hairs and I have to kind of thread them back into the locks that they belong in. I had been way overdue for that, like at least 6 months overdue, so it feels so much better now. I feel like a human being again. And I'm wearing my new little shirt that I got. I like it. So yeah, I am gonna do that today, and I'll take you guys along for the ride, so let's do it. I made it. I took the Chikatetsu, which is the subway. That was the first time I've taken the subway since I've been back. Not my favorite, really. It was really crowded. Well, I changed lines and then it was fine after that, but the first one I took was really crowded. So I don't have that much farther to walk, and then I will be getting my falafel, but I need to look at my maps, so hang on 1 second. Okay, I'm really glad I looked at the map because I almost took a wrong turn. It's so easy to get lost if you're not looking at the map and you don't know where you're going, but I'm like 2 seconds away, so I'm excited to dig in. By the way, it's 10 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday, and it's like extremely packed, so it's like, I don't understand when people work, or if most people are just chilling. I don't really know, but oh, I'm here, huh? So I will say, if you're worried about coming here and knowing little to no Japanese, you can rest assured these restaurants always have an English menu. Sometimes, this one's a chain, so it's cool, but sometimes if they give you an English menu, the prices will be higher. So be aware of getting scammed, like if you go to a smaller type traditional Japanese restaurant, they do like to kind of scam the foreigners. Otherwise, if it's a chain, you can feel pretty secure that they're gonna have regular prices on there. This place really caters to foreigners, so staff all speak English, menus in English, and there's just in general a lot of more type American foods, which is not really the norm for most of Japan, but this place definitely has a good selection. Otherwise, I would say you're probably pretty good not knowing that much Japanese here, because a lot of people, especially in the touristy areas, do know some English, so you're not gonna like be completely lost if you come here. I would still recommend learning some Japanese though. Okay, that was really good. I will say though, I got the junior size salad and it was humongous, like bigger than my head, so I don't know what the regular size would have been. That was a lot of food though. And it was $12 US for the giant salad, the lemonade, the pecan pie, and the fries. So super reasonable. I'm gonna figure out where to go next, and then we will keep going. Also, I realized I was completely wrong about the Imperial Palace. That was another Falafel Brothers location. So this one, I'm actually closest to Tokyo Tower, which I've gone up in Tokyo Tower before. So I don't really know if I want to go up in there again, but it's literally right in front of me. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a really cool view. Listen to how loud that is. The cicadas. The Imperial Palace Gardens. Need to fix this little loop coming out. I'm at Sakurada Mon, which is Sakurada Gate. It is insanely hot. I'm chilling in the shadow right now because it's 95 degrees outside, 51% humidity. I really want to drink something cold. Like, I have this water, but it's already not really cold anymore. And anytime I try to put more in my stomach, it just makes me feel sick because it's too hot. And I'm walking and I like feel my stomach like slushing around. It's really hard to eat or even drink when the weather's like this, honestly. But yeah, the views are really cool around here. Haven't been to the Imperial Palace in a long time. And last time I was here, a horse-drawn carriage that was police escorted came through and went up into the gates. I don't know if it was the emperor. It could have just been someone else important, but it was really cool. I took a bunch of pictures. The other cool thing about this area is if you run around the whole palace, it ends up being exactly 3K, I think. I'm pretty sure it's a 3K. If I'm not mistaken. And whenever I used to go to the gym back home, I would put on my phone the circuit. There's this guy on YouTube who does that run, and I would just put on that circuit and pretend that I was running around the palace. Which was fun, you know? But yeah, it's got a little moat. We'll just see where we can go. I don't know if you can actually go up to the palace. Last time I was here, everything was gated off pretty much. But it looks like actually you can walk up this time. I did also want to go into Tokyo Tower. Even though I've done it before, I was gonna do it just so you guys could see the view and everything. But all the tickets were sold out. until way later. And I don't want to hang around in this heat. Like, if I'm gonna do stuff, I want to like be moving and not like sitting around waiting. But the plan for now is to just explore. Ooh, nice breeze. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I'm just gonna explore around here and see what I can see, and maybe get a cool drink after this because I haven't had enough liquids and I'm sweating a lot. So I know I need to replenish things. This is cool over here too. I'll show you guys. Okay, I ended up going into Starbucks to get a nice matcha latte. I was feeling pretty sick to my stomach. You gotta stay hydrated in this heat, man. And once again, I left my freezer neck ring thing at home. I keep leaving it at home in the freezer. I haven't used it one single time yet because I just forget that it's in there. So eventually I'll remember to do that. Before I went into there, I was like, maybe I should just go home because I felt so miserable, but now I feel more refreshed. There's a bookstore super close to here, so I'm gonna try to find that and see if I can get a book. Excited. I got a dictionary, a Japanese to Japanese dictionary for like middle school kids or elementary school, and a kanji dictionary as well. And then I found a disaster like survival guide for also like elementary school kids, which is hopefully perfect for my reading level. So I'll show you guys those in a minute. I'm really excited about it. Oh, my feet are soaked. Wow.
line 1. The doors on the left.
It's raining so hard. Ah. I love it when it rains, I'm not even gonna lie. But I don't know how safe it is in a thunder lightning storm to be holding a metal umbrella. Thankfully, I don't have that far to go from the station. Just gonna try to get home as fast as possible. Today, all day, I've been pretty much... Oh, I just stepped in a huge... Oh my gosh. I just stepped in a huge puddle. I've been dodging the rain all day. I've been stuck inside because between going in the bookstore for a long time, which every time I go in the bookstore, it's a long time that I'm in there. Wow. This does not happen in Alaska, you guys. Literally. Literally. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. No, but I had to duck out in this pub for a really long time because my phone battery died and I had to charge it inside there. Oh my god! Are you guys seeing these flashes? I need to get inside. I don't even think this is safe to be holding an umbrella when it's raining like this. Lord, please protect me. But yeah, I had to hide out in this pub for a really long time. I just ordered fries and a beer because I had to charge my phone. I wouldn't have been able to get home because I need to know the train to take. And my phone had 4% battery. So I ended up talking to these really nice guys for like probably a couple hours, maybe like an hour and a half. I'm gonna go into Lawson's though, because I know I don't have any water back at my place. So hang on. Got Lawson's right here. Oh my gosh. Lord, protect me. Jesus. My life is in your hands. It is lightning and thundering. Kaminari sugoi yo. Pika pika shita. Wow, I actually love it when it's like this, but being out in it is kind of crazy. Especially because I'm wearing flip-flops. I actually thought earlier I should have worn my Chucks. I had a really good day though. Dude, those books that I found, you cannot find those books in America. Literally, okay? You cannot find those in America. So I'm really excited. And yeah, look at this rain though. Oh my god, it's wild. I'm almost home. freaks me out a little bit every time I see a flash. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off because I don't want my phone to attract more electricity. Okay. Ugh, oh my gosh. I'm all changed into some dry clothes. Set my thing up. Also, you guys may have noticed I put up my string lights. Look it. They shouldn't be blinking that fast. It's kind of obnoxious. Oh, there it goes. Oh. Yeah, that's better. Some dry clothes on. Nice and comfy. I got some water in the convenience store. It's funny when the weather's like this. I went in the convenience store and the cashier was like, "Are you okay?" I was like, "Yeah, are you okay?" Like in Japanese. And like, he's not even Japanese. I could tell he was Indian, but he's like, "Daijoubu desu ka?" I was like, "Hi, kaminari sugoi ne." He was like, "Sugoi yo." It's really funny. But yeah, I just got home. I do have to do some homework. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited though about my textbooks. Look at, oh my backpack got wet. I hope my books didn't get wet too. Oh, so check it out. I got this. This was really cheap. It was like $14, but it's really nice. And I could keep my pencils in here, and I can keep like money in there or just like little random stuff. I got this for school too. It's a Shin-chan and Hello Kitty like mashup, which I had no idea was a thing. And like there's little pockets so I can slip my homework in there and keep it organized for class. What? Are you kidding me? And then I did end up getting this cute Shin-chan sticker. It's like, wow! And then Shin-chan and Hello Kitty mashup, once again, stickers. Super cheap. This was like $2. So I couldn't resist something like that. And then, so the dictionary that I got, everybody always says that you should get a Japanese to Japanese dictionary, which is really hard to find in the States. And I just went to the like middle school, I guess, section, and it's cute because it came with this little like zippy pouch thingy and a little mini manga, which is cool. But this is the dictionary that I got. And if you look, well, first of all, like, we don't have dictionaries like this in the States. Okay, this is adorable. And then, like, it just has everything, and it has it in, like, hiragana, so it's like hiragana over the kanji, and then there's like little pictures. Like, how incredible is that? And it was like $15, like totally reasonable, super cute, like embossed with like this cute imagery. And then I know you guys already saw that. I'm so excited about this, like literally. It's like a survival guide and it has everything, and it's at my reading level, so like I can read this, I can read everything, and of course there's words I don't know, and it's gonna help me learn because it has like hiragana over everything. And this was also Like, this was like $9 US, okay? Like, look at the artwork, it's just funny, like. And then I got, and again, this came with a little Ziploc thingy. It also comes with like a poster, like, that you could take out right here. I haven't really looked at the whole thing, but this is a kanji dictionary that's Doraemon, okay? Like, with freaking cute, just cute. Dude, oh, this is cute. And the thing is, like, I'm gonna use it more because it's adorable. And look at that. Like, how adorable is that? And it has hiragana, again, on everything. It has pictures. You cannot get this in America. Like, if I was to get this, I would have to special order it, and it would be an arm and a leg. It would be so expensive, probably $75, and I got this for 2,300 yen, which is like $14 or something crazy. So I'm so excited. Literally, I got so much cool stuff today, and I wanted to go to this ramen place, but my phone ended up dying. I looked down, and all of a sudden my phone was at like 4%, and I didn't have a backup. I learned my lesson. I'm gonna bring a backup bank with me from now on, but I didn't have a backup bank, so I went into Big Camera and I bought a backup bank, and I ended up chilling in that pub for like a couple hours so my phone could charge, because I didn't want to walk around while it was charging and be using it, because then it's just gonna drain just as fast as I am charging it. And I talked to these 3 guys who all spoke English, even though they were Japanese and Chinese, and that was really cool. And then it started raining, so I was like stuck there because it was literally lightning and thunder and pouring rain. So eventually, though, that place was closing, so I just braved the craziness and went out in the rain. But yeah, what a cool day. Like, I love going to the bookstore, and I actually found Sherlock Holmes, and I found Les Miserables, which I really want to read. I just feel like both of those are probably a little like over where my level is, so maybe in a few months, or I don't know, a month or 2, like, I'll be more comfortable and confident, and I'll, you know, grab those. But now I know where to go if I want to find a book. You know, that place, I'll put the name of the bookshop. It was say something, say something, I don't remember.
Samsonite! I was way off.
But yeah. What a cool day. I'm so grateful. Thank you all so much. Gosh, it's funny because it was insanely hot earlier, like to the point where I was feeling like sick to my stomach. And then you can see how it just started raining. But yeah, I'm gonna rest. I'm exhausted. That was a very full day. It's now like 10 o'clock, so I was out all day. Literally, I left here at like 10 a.m. and now it's 10 p.m. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, feel free to subscribe. Leave your comments down below. Let me know how you guys liked the vlog. It was a fun day. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for hanging out. And I'm gonna catch up on my homework, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.